Today we're just going to show you how to set up your packaging group for kegs using a 50-liter keg as the example. First off, in the inventory items, just hit new item, and there's just a couple of inputs you just got to be aware of here. First off, the title, 50-liter keg. You can leave most of these just the default way. The most important one down here is the type. You can go and select container, and what that does, that tells BarSight this is a container and will consume volume from your batches of beer. So you'll need to be able to tell BarSight the actual volume that is being consumed. Set that to 50 liters here. So now BarSight knows how much to subtract from each batch per keg that you put in. The other option to be aware of here is if you want to have customers charged a deposit and be able to return the keg to your inventory, with the enable customer deposit and refundable deposit, we can go ahead and set that to whatever value you charge your customers, $25, $50, $70, whatever you want. Down here, require single item tracking. That is going to be for individual keg tracking, but we'll get into that in another video. Go ahead and let's change the GL account. Oh, I've got lots of. Let's go with just supplies. I've got lots of GL accounts. I really should clean that out, but we'll deal with that later. Save and back. The other items that you'll probably want to create is a keg cap and a keg collar. I already have those in my database. The only thing to make sure that you have set up correctly here is you set the type to consumable. Next up, you're probably going to want to add some inventory in of those kegs. You can go and create a purchase order from your vendor, or in our case right now, let's just create an inventory manually. We'll say we have 100. There we go. Now with our kegs and our keg caps and collars, let's go and create the package group itself. Just head to Final Brewery Package Products, and over here we have the button Configure Package Groups. You can see I've got a couple package groups already set up here. What we're going to do is we'll do Add Group, and we'll do our new 50-liter keg using the inventory. Every package group needs to have at least one container because it needs to be able to consume volume. Everything else after the fact is typically just consumables. Whatever you want. In this case, caps and collars. If you were doing cans, you would probably do the can lids and the labels and the pack tech holders, maybe even the cardboard flat if you wanted to. Now that we've got this all in, we can go and we can click save, and we will be able to use our brand new 50-liter keg as a new packaging group.